Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie.
Welcome back.
We're in our the beginning of our 4th year since we bought this old abandoned mansion.
And lots have happened since we bought her.
Yeah, we're actually coming to you from a spot. I don't think we definitely haven't touched it. We haven't even gone in and out these doors because they don't. I don't think they even open.
They don't. This is outside the parlor on the south side of the house.
But this is the other portico. This is the side portico. And we just thought, yeah, why not? It's untouched, so it looks as bad as it did. Well, I'm sure that this was overgrown when we bought it.
It was, and we have tower stones and this dormer. That's where a lot of the stones for that are at the moment. It was a good storage spot.
Yep. I think today's video, look at storm damage, huh?
We do. There was a big storm that came through, and it did just a small number on some of the windows and a tree. So
just one little tree accident.
Just a small little tree, yeah. So we take care of all that damage.
Sounds like fun. We hope to make everything exciting this 4th year. Boy, I'll tell you what.
We'll try.
Can't get much more exciting than this.
That's true. That's true.
Enjoy the video.
Thanks for watching. We had a pretty good storm on Friday night, and so we have a few downed limbs, which we're not surprised. This one's slowly dying, but one of our Osage Orange trees up there, poor thing, it didn't fare very well. Let's get a closer look. Well, one of our Osage Orange, part of it again fell. Some of those roots were already exposed. It was already leaning. So I'm not necessarily surprised that it finally, since the way the wind was coming was from the southeast. So problem is that tree, Osage Orange, is extremely hard. So that's going to be something trying to get that down. And that one was still alive, whereas this honey locust, which is mostly dead, is still there. We have a window in the tower blown out. That one right there is broken. And some of the plastic came off on this one over there, but that's okay. Not surprised on that. We also lost another one of the little panes in this window right up there as well. Okay, one of the big windows in Anita's room, that glass is now broken. All right, we also lost the plexiglass out of, that would be the guest room right up there. As far as I know, that's all the other windows that we've kind of lost walking around. Again, there you can see the tree down. Our fake window, the top came undone, but I'm gonna go check and see. Kitten is being so patient, waiting for me to come. It's all right, Kitten. Our table kind of went a little squirrely, didn't it? It took a walk on the wild side, but I can fix that, huh, Kitten? I'm up here on the top of the tower, and you can see we still have a shard left in this one, but I don't have any gloves, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. But we did leave this one. This is a look from the inside. But everything else up here looks really good. So this is the guest room. That was not glass, that was plexiglass. This had already been broken once. So, no, Kitten, you got stuck on the roof once before. The plastic tore out of the frame up there. That one held great. That one tore there, but we'll fix that. In Anita's room over here, we lost one of the big wavy glass windows right there, which I showed you from the outside. So here's another look at that tree. The sun is just in the perfect position. But that's one thing about these Osage Orange is, see, like this big male right here has 3 huge trunks. This one had 2. And see how it's already leaning? It left that one. And if we left it, that thing would continue to grow. There's a look at the root system underneath of it. Some of it was already out and about. And Osage Orange is not my favorite because it has these little thorns on them and they hurt. They are not, it's not my favorite wood to deal with. But that's why they used to use it in fence rows for that very purpose. And I'm sure there are some very sad squirrels because they liked these. And begins the long cleanup of this silly old tree. This is not fun wood to deal with. It catches on everything. It's very thorny and oh look, the tree's dripping. Is that water that's dripping or is that sap? That's sap. When you cut that wood, it smells like oranges though. Well, we've made some progress getting it cleaned up. It's kind of wedged a little bit in the ground, so we've got to take that out, but we don't want to be underneath of it when it decides to go. But we've got a few piles of actual firewood here. Some pretty orange sawdust around here. Yeah, it's catching right on the bottom.
Hello, kitten.
She's inspecting our work.
Coming up.
Are you checking his work? Are you checking his work? Yeah? She definitely is inspecting your work. Kitten. We just cleared the driveway. Now I gotta do it all over again. Wow. Yeah. That one little rotten spot. That great big limb up there, that's all that's rotted from it. Wow. Didn't affect these roots at all, but I don't think it's gonna come back. We got all that we can do today. All the chainsaws need to be sharpened, but we got this just about all the way open, and now we don't have to worry about that falling on anybody. So, but we'll get at it tomorrow. Okay, well, it's the day we're getting rid of the rest of this Osage Orange tree. We are packing it up, putting it in our dump trailer, and we're gonna deliver it to some friends of ours. We're gonna get that little pile over there as well, but this way we can make Miss Mooreland look much better.
Well, we figured out the best way to pull a big old stump. Carrie and Bertha are getting a doozy. Okay. Take it down. See if you can back up. Go back.
Did I turn the camera on so you quit fighting? Huh? Is that what you did? Hmm? You silly girls. Well, don't fall off, Minnie. Get her. Get her.